Okay, I'm here with Alex, and Alex, you've got a new L-shape annex to show me.
Yes, we're at their workshop. That's why it's quite noisy. You can hear cars and tools. But we've already built a small workshop, a small studio here, which demonstrates the teen type pad. But now we've introduced this one, which is a bigger studio for the likes of mum and dad to live in the garden. So it's a L-shaped studio. And it's quite spacious inside.
Okay, can you give me a quick tour?
So this is the outside. As you can see, we've got the window.
So this has got 4 windows there, and then
here and the decking.
yeah, okay, and
We'll come out of the noisy
yeah,
work.
it's a bit noisy out there, isn't it?
I can't stop them working.
All these people working.
Lots of studios going on. So we're in the L-shaped studio. So we're just going to give you a quick tour. So we've got a bit of a dining area.
Okay.
We've got the couch.
And the all-important TV.
So that's nice and roomy. We've got another nice chair over here. So this is the lounge area, which you can see is quite spacious.
It's 12 foot by 8, isn't it?
12
this
foot by
one?
8 foot, the lounge area. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
As far as layouts go, this could actually be even bigger still, couldn't it?
it'd be narrower but longer.
Yeah, right. So 8 foot and then longer.
Yeah, exactly.
And longer up to what?
We could go up to 24 foot, 320 millimetres.
Right, so fair size then.
Yeah, it could go long. So you could have 2 bedrooms. You could have a bedroom at that end and a bedroom this end, with a lounge kitchen area here, but the lounge area would be smaller than this one.
Okay, so that you just pointed through here. So this is
a bedroom.
The other L shape, the part of the.
So we've got a bedroom
in the room.
So in here we've got a double bed. We'll have wardrobes and drawers under the bed, so it's quite spacious.
Excellent, and that's the toilet over there. Where you obviously got the kitchen here.
So we've got a kitchen here with the sink, the microwave oven. That's going inside a cupboard. We've got an induction hob there, your fridge. So everything you need to cook a meal.
And then the loo behind you.
And then our bathroom. Same bathroom in all our studios. We only do one bathroom. So
you got your shower,
sink, toilet, and your boiler cupboard. So inside there's your boiler. That gives you a nice hot shower.
and then here you've got a few grab rails going on as well.
Well, grab rails are brilliant because they're very solid and they make good towel rails.
Yeah.
So when you're in a shower, rather than somebody saying, "Oh, could I have grab rails?"
You're just putting them in anyway.
Putting them in, so there is grab rails everywhere. So when you're getting in that shower, you have and they are studded.
Okay, that's great. Well, as I say,
one bathroom.
As a general overview, then that's a big help. We can do a video about the bathroom and the kitchens and stuff. Yeah, so hopefully that's a help.